Hello, and welcome back to one of the most awaited videos on our channel, where we will cover the NEAR protocol. From its basics to its price forecast for the year 2023, you will get everything in today's video, so make sure that you stick to the end. Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. According to its white paper, NEAR Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain that was designed as a local area-run distributed computing stage. A Layer 1 blockchain is a series of agreements that improves the fundamental structure and transforms the system into one more adaptable. A Layer 1 blockchain has the advantage that nothing above the present blockchain infrastructure is necessary. It provides an appropriate environment for decentralized applications dApps. The system's native currency is currently trading at $1.51 as of November 22 after succumbing to the bear market of 2022. This is below its 2020 launch price and a decline of almost 90% from its unbroken high of $20.42 in January, according to CoinMarketCap. The launch of the NEAR Protocol coin. Viking Schooling's founder Eric Trotman launched NEAR in August 2018. The business has places where engineers can excel. Ilya Polosukhin, an expert in artificial intelligence, and Alexander Skidinov, a former Microsoft PC researcher and head of design at Memes.io, are two of its other supporters. The nearby region, known as NEAR Protocol, which works with the underlying code and provides refreshes, is responsible for NEAR Protocol. The NEAR Protocol has also served as the foundation for several projects, including Motion and the non-fungible token, NFT, stamping platform Mintbase. Designers can organize industry divisions based on resources, merchandise, and actual events thanks to Motion. Coin cost analysis is about to occur. Will it attempt new highs? The NEAR coin launched on October 14, 2020 at $1.69 and has since shown largely stable price movement. The currency has been attempting new highs since July 2021, according to its pricing diagram. The NEAR cryptocurrency price jumped through the $5 threshold in August 2021 and the crucial $10 psychological barrier the following month. Beginning in the year 2022, NEAR was thriving. On January 16, the cryptocurrency rocketed to an all-time high of $20.42. After dropping below the $10 mark in February, it started flooding once more in April. On April 8th, it reached a high of $19.64. In any event, after the Bitcoin collapses this year, NEAR took a hit in addition to the wider market. Its value dropped below $5 and as low as $2.90 on June 18. Through the end of October and into November, it sank significantly farther. NEAR eventually fell short of its final value, hitting a 52-week low of $1.44 on November 21. On November 22, at the time of writing, NEAR had somewhat recovered and was trading at $1.51. In any event, the value of the digital currency fell by 24% over the last week and by 47% over the previous month. With a market capitalization of $1.25 billion, it currently ranks 33rd among all digital forms of money. Is NEAR Protocol a smart business move? Several factors, including the organization's plans and teamwork, item dispatches, and NEAR Protocol's smart endeavor will depend on. NEAR Protocol estimates from a few calculation-based platforms, such digital coin price, were positive at the time of writing, November 22, 2014. However, Wallet Financial's backer anticipated a drop to $0.10. It's crucial to conduct your research on a coin or token to determine whether it's the best choice for your hypothetical portfolio in the volatile world of digital currency. Your ability to handle risk and the amount you anticipate contributing, among other factors, will determine if the NEAR coin is a viable investment for you. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future success. Additionally, never save money that you can't stand to lose. What will happen to Near Protocol? Phases based on calculations according to digital coin price and value expectation. The coin appears bullish, indicating that there may be hope for the future of cryptographic money. However, wallet financial supporters claimed it was a poor business decision. It is crucial to conduct your research on a coin or token to determine whether it is perfect for your speculative portfolio in unreliable digital currency marketplaces. Whether you should invest in Near Protocol depends on several factors, including your tolerance for risk and the amount you anticipate contributing. Keep in mind that past performance does not guarantee future results. Never save money that you can't stand to lose, either. Is investing in Near Protocol a good idea for me or not? You should decide by yourself whether or not you should invest resources in Near. However, before you do so, you should conduct your research and never put away more money than you can afford to lose because prices can go up as well as down. Outro. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.